Hi, I'm Barb Malmeister. I'm a registered dietitian in Tampa, Florida. Many of my clients ask me, how do I cut the salt out of my diet? I just don't know how to do that. Well, it's pretty difficult considering salt is everywhere, which is sodium. What you want to do is you want to aim for under 1,500 milligrams of sodium a day. And if you're eating processed foods, fast foods, lunch meats, or foods that contain a lot of sauces on them like barbecue sauce, it's going to be a really tough ticket to do. For instance, on this label, it has over 800 milligrams of sodium per serving. Having said that, this is 2 servings. So you're going to have over 1,600 milligrams of sodium in this one container. That is over your daily intake. You also want to limit your canned foods, anything that's in a can. For instance, vegetables, legumes, switch to frozen or fresh fruits and vegetables. Lunch meats have a lot of sodium in them. You can also ask for Boar's Head, which is low sodium. They do have one of the better products out there and lower in salt. You also may want to stay away from pig food, sausage, bacon, bologna. Any of those foods have extremely high sodium intakes in them. So you may want to eliminate that. Really, just write it down for a couple of days, maybe about a week, about your sodium intake and about how you can cut it out. My suggestion to you would be perimeter shopping. Stay away from the processed foods. Eat out less, because you don't know how much sodium is in that food. You want to make all your food from scratch if you possibly can. For instance, dried beans have no sodium. Canned beans have approximately 500 milligrams of sodium. That alone for a half a cup would save you. For further information on how to reduce your sodium intake, please visit my website at naturalchoicenutrition.com.